Types of networks based on communication channel. All the computers or communicating devices in the network must be connected to each other to communicate and share data and other resources. To connect to each other, there must be some medium over which the data can travel from one computer to another, and this medium is known as transmission media or communication channel. The selection of media depends on the cost, data transfer, speed, bandwidth, and distances. And as we know, communication channel is connection between transmitter and receiver through which the data can be transmitted. Communication channel is also called a transmission media or a communication media. In communication model, we have a transmitter and a receiver, and there is a communication channel between them. Transmitter is the computer or the device through which you are sending a message, transmitting the message, and receiver is the computing device which is receiving your message, and in between them there is a communication channel or the medium through which the message is traveling from transmitter to receiver. Types of communication channels. Communication channels are of two types, guided and unguided, wired or wireless. Guided media is also known as wired media, because in guided media we can connect transmitter and receiver through a cable, and in unguided media it is a wireless media and there is no wire between the transmitter and the रिसीवर. तो जो गाइडेड मीडिया है इट इज ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स, ट्विस्टेड पेयर, कोएक्सियल केबल एंड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर. गाइडेड मीडिया को डिजाइन करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए जो हम थ्री टाइप्स की केबल्स यूज करते हैं वो है ट्विस्टेड पेयर, कोएक्सियल केबल्स एंड ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल्स. एंड इन अनगाइडेड और इन वायरलेस मीडिया we use microwaves, satellites or radio waves. Other types are underwater acoustic channels, storage channels like magnetic tapes, magnetic disc, etc. Then we have a twisted pair cables. Twisted pair cables or Ethernet cable is the most common type of media which consists of four insulated pairs of wires twisted around each other. One of the wire carries signal, the other is used only as a ground reference. Number of twists per unit length determines the quality of the cable. The advantages of twisted pair cables are it is low cost, low weight and flexible cables. And second advantage is it is a thin and flexible cable and therefore easy to install and maintain. But twisted pair cables also have some disadvantages. First, it is suitable only for short distances up to 100 meters. For longer distances, a repeater is required, and it supports low bandwidth and offers speed up to 100 Mbps. Types in twisted pair cables. Twisted pair cables are of two types, shielded twisted pair cables and unshielded twisted pair cables. Categories of twisted pair cables are category 1, it carries 0.1 Mbps speed, category 2, 2 Mbps, category 3, 10 Mbps, category 4, 20 Mbps, category 5, 100 Mbps, category 6, 200 Mbps and category 7, 600 Mbps. Then we have coaxial cables. Coaxial cable consists of two solid insulated conductors that share a common axis. The inner conductor is a straight wire surrounded by wired mesh. each separated by some kind of foil or insulator. The inner core carries the signal and mesh provides the ground. Coaxial cable or coax is most commonly used in cable TV transmission. It is used for both analog and digital signals, effectively used at higher data rate and higher bandwidth. For analog signals, need amplifiers every few kilometers, and for digital signals requires repeater every 1 kilometer. Then we have optical fiber cables. Optical fiber consists of long, thin thread of glass or glass-like material and carries light. It transmits light instead of electricity over glass or plastic fibers. Signals are modulated and transmitted in the form of light pulses from source using light emitting diode or laser beam. They are arranged in bundles called optical fibers, carries and used to transmit data through light signals over long distances. And the optical fiber consists of the following parts. First is a core or glass or plastic. It is the thin glass rod at the center through which the light travels. Then cladding. It is the outer optical material surrounding the core that reflect the light back to the core. And buffer coating. It is the plastic coating that protects the cable from damage and moisture. Now, advantages of optical fiber. It is free from electromagnetic interference since no electrical signals are carried, and it offers a secure and high-speed transmission for a very long distance. It is the most efficient cable available for computer networks. Disadvantages. It is the most expensive cable. Its installation procedure is quite complicated. It is not suitable for domestic purposes due to its high maintenance cost. Second type is wireless media. Wireless networks are becoming popular nowadays as they use electromagnetic waves for communication. In a wireless network, devices are connected without any physical medium. A wireless network uses high-frequency radio waves rather than wires to communicate between the nodes. And different types of wireless medias are: first is microwave, or also known as terrestrial microwaves. It requires few repeaters. Use a parabolic dish to focus a narrow beam, and frequencies is 1 to 40 gigahertz. Microwave signals are used to transmit data without the use of a cable. It is a line of sight transmission as a signal travel in a straight line. In microwave communication, two-directional parabolic antennas are mounted on towers, buildings, or hills to send and receive signals through air. Then we have satellite links or satellite communication. Satellites communication uses microwave as a media. Satellites like geostationary or polar satellites are used to establish communication links among various Earth-based stations having antennas. Services like DTH, VSAT, GPS, satellite phones, etc. are offered by satellites. A satellite works like a transceiver antenna in space which receives, regenerate and redirect signals. It receives on one frequency and transmit on another frequency. For example, uplink at 5.9245 to 6.425 gigahertz and downlink 3.7 to 4.2 gigahertz. Height is mostly as it is in space. Satellites are established in space, so mostly the height will be 35,784 kilometer, and it's spaced at least 3 to 4 degree apart. Then we have radio waves or broadcast radio. Radio communication uses radio frequencies in the range of 3 kilohertz to 3 gigahertz. Signals are modulated on a high-speed radio waves carrier frequencies using amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, etc. And radio waves are used for communication over distances ranging for a few meters to an entire city. Radio frequencies range is 3 kilohertz to 300 gigahertz. Use broadcast radio of 30 megahertz to 1 gigahertz for FM radio, UHF and VHF televisions. It is a unidirectional. It suffers from multi-path interference, reflections from land, water, other objects, and it are used for multicast communications such as radio and television and paging system. Advantages of radio waves are radio communication covers a large span of area and offers mobility. It offers ease of communication over difficult terrains. Transmitter and receiver antenna do not need to do physically align, and it is cheaper than laying cables and fibers. Disadvantages: it is an expensive and unsecured mode of communication. It is susceptible to weather effects, and permission from concerned authorities are required for the use of radio waves transmission.